Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily, your guide to speaking English confidently in everyday situations.
And I'm Tom, here to make learning practical and fun. Hello, everyone!
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life scenarios to help you use English naturally.
Today, we're diving into something many of you love, visiting the library.
Whether you're borrowing books, studying, or using library resources, communicating in English can make your visit smoother, especially in a new country.
We'll guide you through every step, from getting a library card to finding resources with simple phrases and helpful tips.
Plus, we'll share practical library tips to make your experience productive and enjoyable. Ready to explore the world of books? Let's get started. First, you'll need a library card to borrow books or use services.
Start with, "Hello, I'd like to apply for a library card."
Or try, "Hi, can you tell me how to get a library card?"
If you're new, say, "I'm a new member. What do I need to sign up?"
You might also ask, "Is there a fee for the library card?"
And confirm, "What documents do I need to bring to register?"
Being clear and polite helps the librarian assist you quickly. Libraries offer more than books, so ask about other services.
Say, "What services are available with a library card?"
Or, do you have computers or Wi-Fi for public use?
For specific needs, try, "Are there study rooms I can reserve?"
You might also ask, do you offer printing or copying services?
And, "Are there any classes or events at the library?"
These questions help you make the most of the library's resources. Finding the right book is key. Ask a librarian for help.
Say, "Can you help me find a book on history?"
Or, where are the fiction books located?
If you're looking for something specific, try, "Do you have this book by Jane Austen?"
You might also ask, is there a catalog I can use to search for books?
And, "Are there any new releases or popular books you recommend?"
These questions make finding books quick and easy. Many libraries have computers for public use. Ask how to access them.
Say, "How do I log in to use the library computers?"
Or, do I need a reservation to use a computer?
For printing, try, "Can I print documents from the computer?"
You might also ask, is there a time limit for using the computers?
And, "Is Wi-Fi available for my own laptop or phone?"
These questions help you use technology effectively. When you're ready to borrow books, head to the checkout desk.
Say, "I'd like to check out these books, please."
Or, can you scan my library card to borrow these?
To clarify, try, how long can I keep these books?
You might also ask, is there a limit on how many books I can borrow?
And what happens if I return a book late?
These questions ensure you understand the borrowing process. When it's time to return books, ask about the process.
Say, where can I return these books?
Or, is there a drop-off box for returning books after hours?
If you're late, try, I returned my books late. Is there a fine?
You might also ask, can I return books at any library branch?
And will I get a receipt to confirm my returns?
These questions help you return books smoothly. If a book isn't available, you can reserve it.
Say, can I reserve a book that's currently checked out?
Or, how do I place a hold on this book?
For updates, try, will you notify me when the book is available?
You might also ask, how long will it take for the book to arrive?
And can I reserve books online through the library website?
These questions help you get the books you want. Libraries are great for studying, so ask about quiet areas.
Say, are there quiet study rooms available?
Or, can I reserve a study space for this afternoon?
For groups, try, is there a room for group study sessions?
You might also ask, are there power outlets in the study areas?
And how long can I use a study room for?
These questions help you find the perfect study spot. Libraries often have magazines, DVDs, or e-books. Ask about them.
Say, do you have newspapers or magazines I can read?
Or, can I borrow DVDs or audiobooks with my library card?
For digital resources, try, do you offer ebooks or online databases?
You might also ask, are there language learning resources available?
And how do I access the library's digital collection?
These questions unlock a variety of resources. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask the librarian.
Say, can you help me find resources for my research project?
Or, I'm new to the library. Can you explain how things work?
For specific needs, try, do you have books in Spanish for beginners?
You might also ask, is there a librarian who specializes in children's books?
And can you show me how to use the online catalog?
Librarians are there to help, so ask away. Libraries host events like book clubs or workshops. Ask how to join.
Say, what events are happening at the library this month?
Or, can I sign up for the book club meeting?
For details, try, is the writing workshop free to attend?
You might also ask, are there events for kids or teens?
And do I need to register for the library's storytelling session?
These questions help you get involved in the library community. If you're studying, you might borrow study guides or materials.
Say, can I borrow this study guide for my exam?
Or, do you have test prep books for English exams?
For availability, try, is this reference book available for checkout?
You might also ask, can I borrow these materials for a week?
And are there limits on borrowing study guides?
These questions help you prepare for your studies. Let's practice key phrases to make them stick. Repeat after us.
I'd like to apply for a library card.
I'd like to apply for a library card.
Can you tell me about library services?
Can you tell me about library services?
Where are the fiction books located?
Where are the fiction books located?
How do I use the library computers?
How do I use the library computers?
I'd like to check out these books.
I'd like to check out these books.
Where can I return my books?
Where can I return my books?
Can I reserve a book that's checked out?
Can I reserve a book that's checked out?
Are there quiet study rooms available?
Are there quiet study rooms available?
Do you have e-books or audiobooks?
Do you have e-books or audiobooks?
Can you help me find a book?
Can you help me find a book?
What events are happening at the library this month?
What events are happening at the library this month?
What happens if I return a book late?
What happens if I return a book late? Wow, we've covered so much about visiting the library in English today.
From getting a library card to finding books and joining events, you're now ready to navigate the library with confidence.
Remember to ask clear questions, be polite, and explore all the resources the library offers.
Practice these phrases and you'll feel at home in any library.
These tips and expressions will help you make the most of your library visits, whether you're studying or reading for fun.
Thanks for joining us on A Day with Lily. Keep learning and keep reading.
This was Echo English Moments. See you in the next episode.